Good morning, all of you. So, children, this is part 3. I mean, first video I explained, second video, okay. This is third video, children, on active voice and passive voice. In first video, what is that? I explained you how to change present tense sentences from active voice to passive voice. Children, in second video, I explained you how to change past tense sentences from active voice to passive voice. Now I am going to explain you future tense sentences, how to change from active voice to passive voice. Okay, children. So now let us see. So she will first example. These are examples, children. To the simple future. She will connect the video tomorrow. So rules common, children. Rules common for all tenses. First rule, object should be changed as subject, the audio. Second rule, decide be form. Children, shall, will always takes as a be form be. So be form decided will be. Third rule, change the verb into V3 connected. So add by. Fifth rule, change the subject as the object. In subject place it is she. When it comes to object, it becomes her. Last, tomorrow. Remaining word we have to add last, children. That is first example. Children, be form side I have already told you now. So am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being. These 8 are called what are they? Be forms, children. Am, is, are present be forms. Was, were past be forms. Be, been, be, will, shall always takes be form, children. Has, have, had always takes been. Continuous tense it takes ing form, it takes being. Okay, children. Second example. I shall catch your point within 1 hour. I shall catch your point within 1 hour. Yes, children. So first of all, object should be changed as object. So object should be changed as subject. Your point. Second point, decide be form. Children, be form, I shall will always takes be form. As a be form be. So will be. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Catch, caught. Yes, children, caught. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the subject as object. So, children, in subject place it is I. When it comes to object, it becomes me. It becomes me. So, remaining part we have to add here. Within 1 hour. Within 1 hour. Children, do you have any doubt here? Okay, definitely fusion. Okay. So, children, here shall, here will. Why like that? Children, in above sentence, subject I. That's why shall. But in answer, our subject your point. That's why here will, children. So, I and we takes shall. Remaining all subjects, they take will. Okay, na? Okay, children. So third example, they will separate courts in Sachivalayam. Okay. So first rule, object should be changed as subject, the courts. So second rule, decide be form. Children, be form will shall will always takes be form as a be. Will be. Third rule, change the verb into V3 separated. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the subject as the object. Them. So remaining part in Sachivalayam. So we have to add last in Sachivalayam. Okay. Like that. Fourth example, children. Fourth example. The volunteers will take EKYC from the people. So first rule, object should be changed as subject. EKYC Decide B form second rule. Here will be third rule. Change the verb into V3. Take, took, taken. V3 taken. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, the volunteer. Okay, the volunteers. Remaining part from the people. That one last we have to add from the people. Yes, children. Fifth example. He will pay fine in RTO office. First rule, object should be changed as a subject. Fine. B form, decide B form will be. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Paid. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject becomes object. Subject should be changed as object. In subject place it is he. When it comes to object, he becomes him. So remaining part in RTO office it's come. Last we have here. Okay, children, I am telling that this is object, this is object, this is object, like that I am explaining you. But how can you identify object in a sentence? How can you identify, children? How can you identify? I have already told you. So you have to question with which or whom. Then easily you will identify. For example, whom she will connect? No. Which she will connect? She will connect the audio. So audio is the object. Like the second sentence. Whom I shall catch? Whom means there is no person. So which I shall catch? I shall catch your point. Answer is there. This is object. Third example. They will separate the cords. Whom they will separate? Whom? This is not person. Which they will separate? They will separate cords. So cords subject. Next, the volunteers will take EKYC. Okay. So children, whom the volunteers will take? Volunteers will not take any person. Which the volunteers will take? Yes, the volunteers will take EKYC. That is object, children. Like that, he will pay fine. Whom he will fine? There is no answer. Which he will pay? Which he will pay? He will pay fine. Yes, children, object is there. So like that we have to identify, children. So we have to question with whom or which. For what? To identify object. Children, with these two words we have to question, children, to identify object. Yes, children. So when you question with these two words, if you get answer, that is object. If you don't get object, it means in that sentence there is no object. Okay, children. So to find out object, so here we have to question with these two words. Okay, children. So children, till now I explained you about simple futures, simple future sentences, how to change from active voice to passive voice, as children. So future continuous sentences we can't change from active voice to passive voice. So now I am going to explain future perfect, how to change future perfect sentences, how to change from active voice to passive voice. Now I am going to explain you, children. Children, tense whatever it may be, but rules are common. Those 5 rules are common. Those 5 rules you have to by heart. Then only you can change, children. And you have to learn how to identify object. Okay na? And you should learn verb conjugation. I mean take, took, taken, play, played, played, think, thought, thought, buy, bought, bring, bought, that such the conjugation you should learn, children. Okay, those 5 rules you have to by heart, children. Okay, B forms you should know, children. Okay, right. So first example in future perfect, children. He will have scolded me in the park. He will have scolded me in the park. Yes, children. Here, children, not only will. Here, will have is there, children. Will have. Okay, okay. First rule. Object should be changed as subject. So, children, here object. Here object me, children, when you change from object to case to subject to case, me becomes I. Object me, when it comes to subject place, it changes as I. Second rule, decide be form. Children, here will have, because subject he, but here change subject as I. That's why shall have, shall have. Children, will have, shall have always catches been. Always takes been, children, as a B form, as a B form. So, will have, shall have been, B form over, children. Second rule. Third rule. Change the verb into V3. Already is there, it is there in V3. Same. Like the fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the subject as the object. So remaining part, in the park. Last you add in the park. That is our children. Second example. She will have submitted all the certificates. Okay. So first, object should be changed as subject. All the certificates. Change the object as subject. Second one, decide be form. Will have, not will not have. Will have. So children, here will have, it takes been as a B form. So will have been. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the subject as the object. When it is in subject case, it is she. When it comes to object case, it becomes her. Yes, children. Third example. They will have arranged the party in our garden. They will have arranged the party in our garden. First rule, change the object into the subject. The party. Decide B form. Second rule. Here will have. That's why will have been. This is B form, children. Will have been. That is also our children. Third rule. Change the verb into V3. Arrange, arranged, arranged. Already it is in V3. Same you write. Fourth rule. Add by. Fifth rule. Change the subject as the object. Then remaining part, in our garden, you add lost. Yes, children. At the end of the sentence, you write remaining sentence. Fourth rule. He will have completed Telugu class by this time tomorrow. He will have completed Telugu class by this time tomorrow. Yes, children. So, first, object should be changed as subject. Telugu class. B, second rule, B form. Will have, it carries been. Will have been. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Already it is in V3, same you write. Completed. So, fourth rule, by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as he becomes him, object. At the end of the sentence, remaining part you add last. By this time tomorrow. Next, fifth one. He will have arranged all the things. Yes, children. So, first rule, object should be changed as subject. All the things. Second rule, B form, children. Here will have always takes been, children, as a B form. Will have. So, will have been. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Arranged, it is already in V3. So, you write arranged. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. him. Yes, children, him. So this is about the future perfect, children. Future perfect. Okay. So all these tenses you have to go through once again. I mean, you have to watch videos again and again. Then only you have to write today exam, children. Today evening. Today exam will be given on all tenses. So once again I shall give you touch on all sentences. So for each tense, 2 examples I shall write and I shall explain you. Okay, na? Good. So children, now onwards you okay. Here onwards listen well, children. Then only you will get more marks. Okay, na? Once again I am reminding you. Okay. First example. I take tea. I take tea, children. So first of all, object should be changed as subject. Tea. Decide B form. Children, B form according to the subject. We have to decide, children. Take B1. B1 means present tense, children. Present B forms. Am is. So which is suitable here, children? T am. T is. T are. T is. That is suitable, children. Because children, am is used for I. R is used for plural, but T singular. That's why E, children. T is first rule our object is changed. Object we change as subject. Second rule this B form decided. Third rule change the verb into V3. Taken. Fourth rule add by. Fifth rule subject should be changed as object. Okay, na? Next. Yes, children. First rule, she drinks milk. That is she drinks milk. That is sentence, children. So first rule, object should be changed as subject. Milk. Second rule, change the decide the B form. Children, B form will be decided according to the subject. Sorry, according to the verb, children. Tense form of the verb. This is V1, children. V1 means present tense. Present B forms am, is, are. So which is suitable here? Milk am, milk are. Both are not correct. Milk is. Milk is. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Drink, drank, drunk. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the subject as object. Okay? Now, next example. They are learning music. First rule, children, object should be changed as subject. Music. Second rule, decide B form, children. So am is this is present continuous, children. Present tense V1 ing continuous. V1 and V1 means present tense, children. Present ing means continuous. So this is present continuous sentence. So present B forms am is. Which is suitable? Is. Music is. Change the verb into V3. Learned. Sorry. So children, here etc word ing, children. That's why we have to add additionally being. So music is being. Change the verb into V3. Learned by. Subject should be changed as object. Them. Fourth example. He is calling Telugu sir. As children, first rule, object should be changed as subject. Telugu sir. Second rule, decide B form children. B form, this is V1 present tense, ing continuous, present continuous. That means present tense B forms what? Am is sir. Which is suitable? Telugu sir is. Telugu sir is V3. Sorry. Etc. What? Ing is children. That's why being. Third rule, called. Fourth rule, by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. Him children. Next, fifth example children. Fifth example. She has driven the car. She has driven the car. So children, here first rule, object should be changed as subject. The car. So decide B form. Children, has, have, always takes been as a B form. So car singular, has been. B form decided. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Already it is in V3 children. Driven. Fourth rule, by. Fifth rule, she becomes a her. Sixth one children. We have separated your clothes. Okay. So we change first rule children. Object should be changed as subject. Your clothes. Children. So has, have, always takes been children. As a B form, been we have to write. So your clothes plural. That's why have been. V3 separated. Fourth rule, by. Fifth rule, we, subject should be changed as object. We becomes as. He saw me. First rule, object should be changed as subject I. Second rule, decide B form. Children, B form will be decided according to the tense form of the verb. So tense, this is V2 children, that means past tense. Past. If it is present tense, am is are. If it is past tense, was were. Was were. Was were. So subject singular I, that's why was. B form decided. Third rule, change the verb into V3. See, saw, seen. Fourth rule, by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. Her. Like that. Next example, children. They suspected us there. Excellent. Rules common. First rule, object should be changed as subject. Here object us, when it comes to subject place, it becomes we. So children, decide B form. Second rule, tense V2. V2 means B form was or were. Here subject singular I, that's why was helping verb. But here subject we plural, that's why were B form. So we change the subject, we decided B form. Third rule V3, suspected. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, they becomes them. there. Very good. Okay, next model children. We were cleaning the floor as children. So this is were means past tense. Were past tense children. Ing continuous. That it means the sentence is in past continuous children. Past continuous. So past tense. Past B forms of was or were. Okay. First rule. Object should be changed as subject. Second rule, decide B form. Children, sentence is in past tense. Past B forms was, were. Here subject singular or plural? The floor singular children. That's why was. Okay. So here etc. word ing is there. So we have to add being. Okay. Third rule. We change the verb into V3 cleaned. Fourth rule by. Fifth rule we becomes us. Next 10th sentence.
Ready.
Okay children, the government was distributing money. Okay, so first rule object should be changed as first of all children was past tense, ing continuous tense. So past continuous sentence, past tense. So past B forms was or were. Okay, rules common children. First rule, object should be changed as subject. Distributing money, money object, money. Second rule, decide B form was or were. Money singular was, etc. ing is there children. That's why being. Third rule children, change the verb into V3 distributed. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, the government. Okay children, like that. Next children, she had resigned a job. Otherwise, she had resigned her job. So, rules, her job, object should be changed as subject. Decide B form. Children, has, have, had, always takes been as a B form. So, had been resigned by her. Next. 12th one children. They had encouraged her. So first rule, object should be changed as subject. She. Been, B form children. Had, has, have always carries been as a B form. Had been. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Encouraged. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, they becomes them. So children, at the beginning of the class, children, that is present tense. This is past tense children. So future tense in the beginning of the class I explained you. So I think no need to explain once again. So whatever it may be, so will it takes as a B form. Will shall takes be as a B form children. Suppose if it is then active as shall or will, in passive as they becomes will be or shall be. Like that, will have, shall have always takes been, been, been as a B form children. So if it is there in active voice shall have or will have, in passive voice they becomes will have been or shall have been. This is about active voice and passive voice children. I mean regarding to tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay. So many models are there children to explain. So first if you had better if you learn well all these models. Okay. Many models and number of models are there, but first you should. Okay. So children, you should be thorough with these exercises children. If you are perfect with these models, the remaining models I shall continue next class. But first of all, you have to get perfection in these models in present tense, past tense and future tense. So this is the class for today for 9th class children. Thank you.